howdy Fortney. Can I get a beefy fruity burrito and 2 shredded chicken mini quesadillas?
That what else?
That'll do me.
Alright, is your order correct on the screen?
Absolutely, thank you, brother.
433, man.
Alright. What's up, man?
Park somewhere we can see them.
Yeah, fucking that.
Let me vlog. So guys, pretty much, alright, what we just did is they went in 7-Eleven, we went out, alright, and drove off, and now they don't know where we are because we meant to pick them up.
Go back to the car, just go like drive next to it. Let's go.
Wait, what the f***'s John gone? No way.
John just left us now.
Bro, we just got punked.
Guys, John left us all.
That is insane, what a loser. Think about it, he is on his own. Bro, you never guess what just happened. So we drove off to leave you. We parked up, we cried, and then he leaves us.
We left you guys and now John left.
And now he left us. He punked all of us.
I think that's him.
Yeah, that's him.
Nina's mad.
But that was fun laughing by yourself.
Someone's salty.
What's up, guys? We are back in Miami. Jonathan, did you miss me?
Bro, I cried myself to sleep every day you weren't here.
What?
Yeah, nothing.
Oh my god. Is that JXSTIN? He just gets hit by a car. Guys, I'm here with a SoundCloud rapper. What's your name? J Angel, right?
J Angel.
He's gonna give us a little freestyle.
Give me a word.
Car.
Car.
Apple pie.
Someone's hungry.
McFlurry, nigga.
Can you take me to McDonald's? Cause bitch, I want a McFlurry and I want it in a hurry. Bitch, you better give it now. Bitch, you better give it. You better go like meow. Bitch, you better purchase like a cat. You better deliver. Better give it to me. Bitch, you better send that hurt. Better send that pussy. Bitch, you better send that word. Better send that shit so hard. You better send it. Shoot you like a nerve. My feelings so hurt. Leave that bitch in the back of the truck and you know that bitch gon' swerve. Hey, now she turning left. She turning make her right. Check everything in the left. Now she know that she come and shoot on sight. My nigga shoot on sight. My nigga shoot, don't shoot with a price. My shawty shoot like a man, no life. Nigga head itchy like lice.
Look goes hard. I love it when he gets really fast. Like,
Wait. It takes
Where did the pod go?
What's that noise? Hold up. Did you hear something? What up? Where's the bud?
Yo, daddy.
What's going on?
What the fuck?
Have you seen my dad?
Excuse me.
I gotta go home, bro.
This is my car.
He comes out of your car. This time he's naked.
Alright, baby, hold on.
Alright, cutie.
Oh my god, we're getting on the street with him.
God, I'm gonna get pulled over.
Should I get naked? You think that'll get more views? Don't go too fast or I'm falling under your back tire. There's a car right next to me. Oh shit, oh shit.
No!
I gotta go.
I don't know if I got that. Oh no. He just, bro, I thought you ran him over. What?
Okay, so he got pretty hurt, but I don't know where he is. We're waiting for him around the corner. Dude, are you okay? Where are your shorts?
I lost them on the way down. The big scar, it looks pretty big, man.
Oh god.
Really bad. The lady that was right next to us, she literally looked at me, starts laughing, lowers the window, and she goes, "Are you okay?" I'm like, "Yeah, I just fell off my bike."
Okay, so I let Justin drive my car around the neighborhood because he's never driven it before, and he said he wanted to try it out.
Hello.
How's the whip?
It's pretty dope. I've never driven your car before. I just got to the end. I have to turn around. Oh!
What happened? Bro, I swear, this kid crashed my car. Here he comes. What happened? Why'd you hang up? Are you being so weird? You're being weird. Why'd you hang up the call? Why are you standing there?
What?
Did something happen there? Dude! Oh my god! Dude, you actually dented my car!
Okay, no, but I can actually fix it though. I know how to fix it.
Shut up. How do you even fix that?
I'm a mechanic.
Okay, totally. Dude, we better get this fixed. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Make sure to leave a like, comment, subscribe. Justin, no! No!